Hey guys, it's me Obed, and today we will see how we can use OpenAI Real-Time API to automate customer care services for any business. We will use this as an example, but it is easily replicatable for your own business or for your clients, right? Before that, I want you to know if you are working on any custom project, feel free to reach out through WhatsApp or mail, or you can book an live one-to-one call where we can discuss about your idea and we can build something together. Okay, perfect. Let's see a demo and then we will talk about how we can develop or build with the OpenAI real-time API. So I will just start the customer care agent and I will talk to it and then you can observe what it is says. Okay, so
Hello. How can I assist you today at Pearl Dental Clinic? Are you looking to book an appointment or do you have any questions about our service?
yeah, can you tell about the services you guys offer?
Certainly. At Pearl Dental Clinic, we offer a comprehensive range of dental services, including 1. General dentistry services. These include routine dental checkups, cleanings, filling.
Okay, so you get the idea, right? So, this is a clinic, a demo business I'm just showing you to automate, which can automate their customer support or customer service agent through real time API, right? So, they have like all of their services, etc. All you have to do is scrape the data in a nice format, or even the data I have given it is not in right format. So but AI is understanding it correctly, or you can say the real time API. So let me now tell you how you can do this, right? So first of all, the OpenAI uh, API comes with a GitHub package. Basically, this is a React app which OpenAI developers have built for other developers to build on top of that, right? So React app for inspecting, building, and debugging with the real-time API. So you have to download and then you can adopt this app to your own setup or your own businesses. And let me show you how you can do it. So in this setup or in this code, under source you will get something called utils, and in there you have configuration settings for your conversation. Let me just show you how I built this agent which I was just talking about. So in the system settings, first thing is tool use enable. That means I can configure the tools to schedule appointment, to reschedule, to cancel appointment, or these services which can automate like full life cycle or full workflow of a business, right? So this thing you don't have to change. Only thing you have to change is this instructions thing, and after that you can write your own instructions. So I just said like two lines only: please act as a customer support agent working for my business Pearl Dental Clinics, assisting with the patient queries. Now here is the data and knowledge about any business, right? You can see the data I scrape. I use some Selenium uh, parser or Selenium, you know, data collector from web and by LangChain, and I get this data. But like you can see, the data is not in the good format. It is like very random format which Selenium got from their uh, website. So you can see the data, all the data is here. So testimonials, customer, yeah. So this is how you can build on top of the real-time API, right? So just change your data, change your instructions, and it will act as accordingly. Okay, I hope you like the demo, and if you are working on something of your own, or if you want to do some automation, feel free to reach out and we can build something together. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Thanks.